How y'all doing? It's CJ Moto and I'm back. It's been a while since I've actually been in front of the camera. Sorry about that. But anyhow, I'm here with the Yeti SB6. I just had this thing built up here recently. This is actually a 29 SB6 frame. And then I got the Fox Float X2 shock on it. I got the factory 36 front fork on there. I've got some Industry 9 wheels with the Hydra hubs, so you can hear how good that sounds. I've got a full SRAM group set. Shifts nice and smooth. I love it so far. Just an awesome, it's a GX Eagle, 2020 GX Eagle group set. The only thing that I upgraded other than GX Eagle is I did put the X01, I believe, right? Yeah, the X01 shifter on there. Yeah, this is a full carbon C1, I think is what it's called. It's the high-end carbon frame from Yeti that they put on there, like really good ones in 2019 and 20 and 18 and all the years. You got two different levels of carbon. It's called, actually I think it says it, forgot. Yeah, it's the Turk. They call it the Turk. I'm sorry, it's the T1 or whatever. I got Look pedals on there. I really love them. They're the Look X-Track and Rage. And yeah, wolf tooth dropper post, 1-up components, dropper. And then I've got the Ergon saddle. It's super nice. Really nice saddle. ODI Elite Pro or Elite something, whatever they're called, grips, and oval chain ring by Absolute Black, 1-up components, bash guard and chain guide. Maxxis tires on there. I got the Recon in the rear and the Dissector in the front. They are 27.5, and I got a 2.5, I believe, in the back. What is it? 2.4 in the back and 2.6 in the front. I'm sorry. So I'm running 2.4, 2.6. Nice big fat tire in the front. But anyhow, let's check out some night ride footage. I got some really cool footage of a night ride that I took last night. Did about 30 miles. It was a blast with a lot of local guys here that are really fast, and you know, I feel like this thing does amazing. On the road even. It was a 30-mile urban ride, and it was really fun. I got 70 PSI in the front fork, and I got 170 PSI in the rear shock, and I'm 185 pounds. But let's go check out that rides footage, guys. I hope you guys are having a good night. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video if you enjoy seeing this thing on the road. Got a lot more content coming with this thing. I'm going to get in-depth more into the components. If you guys have anything you want to see, just let me know. CJ Moto out. Climbing. Broken dreams, but from TV screens. Sit and wish your lives away. You'll never guess who won the lottery. Yeah, it wasn't me, I guess again. But still I'll play your stupid
gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in a cage, I'ma let out the. Wake up, get out the sheets. We came for one, man, forget my peace. You take the west, I take on the east. I'ma put him in the cage, never let out the. I hear him chat to the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Not so tough, but mans keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize. White girls, let her tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch me, please use caution. Beg, please get on your knees. Came from the jungle, up in the trees. I got a few tricks up in the sleeve. One wrong move, I'ma let out the. Big shoes, check out the crease. Blow like I'm Bigfoot, step on the beat. Make a man's run till he step out the cleats. When the whole place scream, gotta get out the. Yeah, I hear him chat to the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man so tough, but mans keep walking, yeah. Just too sharp with the prize. White girls, let her tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch me, please use caution.
You're good.
Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Yeah, I hear him chat to the noise. Can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Mans keep walking, yeah. Just too sharp with the prize. Let her tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch me, please use caution.
Feel some shit I ain't felt in a long time. The inside of my thighs are cramping.
I like it because you don't have to finish on that big ass hill.
I don't know what muscle that is, but it hurts.
It's the, I need to ride more muscle.
Get clicked in. Get in there.
Yeah.
Take it right. All right.
Parking garage time, CJ.
Huh?
That's what he said. Buddy's small, probably.
Oh, dude, he is crazy.
Straight?
Here's the road the other day. I had heartburn and I had vomit back to my
What the hell are we doing now? No! Where are you going? What the hell? What the hell?
What hell's wrong with you?
What? Help me see. Oh no, I'm out of water.
Yeah, I'll be right. Come out.
Can't believe it's a damn. Huh?
I know.
It's a miracle no one's crashed. Heading down south to the land of the pines. Be careful if you're tall. Holy shit, you can almost hit your head on the ceiling. Make my baby tonight. Got me mama like a wagon wheel. Ah. Rain rock me mama like a southbound train. Hey, hey. Hey, ladies. Let's alright. Uh-oh. Well, that was a really fun ride. Survived that one. I don't know how far we went. Probably about 25 miles. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Maybe I'll voice over it, I don't know. But did make it. Let's get it on. They're not wasting no time. The old Yeti finished its first urban ride. So I had to call up L. Yo, L, what up? What else? They were. I have to get my car there, yeah.
What? You should park here.
Clyde Fan, yes, near the skate park.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should have parked here, you're right.